everybody. My name's Amanda, and I'm getting here. Yeah, I always do that little yelly thing. I just realized that. Yeah, maybe I need to not do that. So anyway, today, guys, I am following a tutorial from Color Me Cassie. Another installation of my Nailed It. Did I? Have I yet? Series, you know, because I'm learning, and I figured this is the way to do it. So, I have my Lorac Makeup Pro 4, and if you guys want to see Color Me Cassie at work, she's one of my favorites. Yeah, I will have her up there. Yeah, there. See that little eye thingy? She's right there. Well, the link, you could, you know, click on it and watch her, you know, in theory. You know, maybe when you're done. She'll also be linked below. But, yeah, this is from one of her lives that she did. So, I'm rambling. Maybe it's time for a little visit from the Death Star. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna get started. My eyelids are already primed with my I just spit a little, that's awesome. With my Wet n Wild Photofocus. And I also went ahead and, because I like to do this because this is just what I do. I like to set my primers. And I went in with the color Butterscotch. So we're gonna go from there. Now, let's get started. Okay, so my eyes are primed and good to go. Now we're going to go in with Spice. It's this pretty reddish color. Yeah, that's going in the crease. It's supposed to be used as a transition, but I have a giant crease and transition area. So I'm going to keep going. Blend, blend, blend. Yep, still blending. Oh, wait, it's Ken pottery, so I had to knock it off. Wait. Second eye. Now we're just going to blend. We're going to blend for a long time. Blending. Yeah, seriously. We are blending. Basically, I have the video going in the background waiting for instruction. Like it? Okay. And more blending. Oh my gosh. Adding a little more so we can blend it. Yeah, I blended it. See? Eyeshadow equals blending. Yep. Gonna keep going. Oh, now we're going in with Peacock. It's this shimmery blue that's gonna go on the outside of the lid. And I did something with the color Raven, which is a black. But whatever. Yeah, still, yeah, so we're adding the blue. Peacock. And then we're going to blend. Because, you know, it's eyeshadow. Blend. And what we're doing is we're actually blending some of that into the crease. So that way, there's no lines. You guys get to see a gradient. Yep, blend. And by you guys, I mean, you know, the general public. You get to see a gradient. Blending. Oh, and now we're going in with Steel Wool. We're gonna apply that all the way until the blue. See that? I'm so proud of myself getting this done. And by getting this done, I truly mean actually filming this, because I've been talking about this for a while. Oh, we're gonna blend. I know, it's surprising. Blending. Woo, thumbs up, I like it. Still blending. Oh my gosh. Blending forever. Oh, wait, there's some fallout. So we're taking a baby wipe, because that's what I have handy. And we're going to go and clean that up. Yep. See that? That was all underneath my eyes. Gonna add some little more of the spice. Yeah, guys, I think I look good. Okay, I look better, you know, the after, but even in the process, I look amazing. We're gonna clean up under the eye. Oh, look at those bags. I am not as young as I used to be, but... Okay, guys, what do you think? yeah, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. I used the primer mixture that I did last month because, you know, I want to use stuff up. And then I used the foundation mixture I did last month too. I went ahead and blended it out with, I added some face oil. It is Bright Booster from Physicians Formula, and that came recommended from Jam Beauty 89. And for my cheeks, I went ahead and used the Pure Bronze and Brighten. So you got the bronzer, the highlight, the blush. You know, make it easy. And so I'm using BoxyCharm makeup. Yay, using up stuff in my collection. I went ahead and lined and filled my lips with this NYX pencil in nude. And then I used my best nude. Guys, if you heard the best way to check your TMI, I'll link that article up above, up there. But, yeah, so, Bestie, what do you think? Did I do okay? So, guys, I'll go ahead and link stuff up above. I just have to do mascara and, Lord help me, liquid liner. Yeah, you guys will get to see this because, you know, quite possibly the hardest thing in the world for me. Because Cassie did liquid liner. Actually, Cassie did a wing. I don't do wings, almost as a rule, because I'm almost 40, and I don't know how. Okay, Lord, help me. There's a camera on me. I need to get this right. At least somewhat close to right. Did I do it? Oops. Oh, guys, I'm doing a wing. Not on purpose. Now you gotta make it match. Right? Close enough? Ah, crap, this is gonna end up bad. Okay, I'm done. Next thing you know, my eyeliner will go all the way out to here, and yeah, so yeah, there. I'm gonna do mascara, and I'll do that on camera, but we'll fast forward through that. I do use 3 mascaras because they're open. I also have 2 eyelash curlers, and so I figure more is more, to quote Tati, right? Quickly address the fact that she has a new line of hair, skin, and nails and eye vitamins. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm excited for her. I have no desire to purchase it because I looked at the price, and dear God, that is way more than I'm willing to spend. So, I'm not going to do it. But I wish her the best of luck. And I really truly hope that the drama passes her by quickly, because I I do genuinely think she is, I think she's genuine. There are some things about her that makes her appear not to be, but we don't know her, do we? I don't know her. I live half a country away, but yeah. There are a few that I wish I knew, like Color Me Cassie, personally, and Samantha March. I tend to not subscribe to many YouTubers with lots and lots of followers, you know, in the millions, because, oh, Rach Loves, I really like her. She seems like she'd be someone I'd want to be with also around. And Emily Noel. And how she doesn't have 1 million followers, I don't know. So, you guys, this is the final look. If you like what you see here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye!